Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email us, Team Mosso at the1916company.com. It's in the description below. Purchase and pricing and availability questions concerning this watch, Team Mosso at the1916company.com. Today we are discussing an extraordinary watch launched in 2021 in grade 5 titanium. This right here is a limited edition of 250 pieces from Chopard, the Alpine Eagle Cadence 8HF, so high frequency, 8 hertz, 16 beats per second. This watch has a blazing rate of 57,600 vibrations per hour. Now, in terms of dimensions, very similar to the standard Alpine Eagle, but lighter because it's titanium. So 41 millimeters in diameter, 9.8 millimeters thick from lug to lug. If we're just counting the case, 47.6 millimeters. We include the first link on each side, which is always my reference for total width. Then it is 53.8 millimeters. The watch has a beautifully made bracelet, and let me show you one of the finest qualities of it. See how we have primary links and then we have countersunk interlocking secondary links? That means there is no daylight showing through this bracelet, and the tolerance of the manufacturer is such that I cannot think of another bracelet that has less lateral play, and yet there is plenty of flexibility and a huge range of motion. You can also see the delicacy of the finishing with both satin and polish, as well as small and large facets. It is gorgeous, and one advantage of this setup is that every single link is removable for fine-tuning the fit. Now, of course, grade 5 titanium is lighter than steel, and it's hypoallergenic, but grade 2 has those qualities. Grade 5, you see, is harder than steel. Standard 904L and 316 watchmaking steels, it is harder to scratch. We've got a screw-down crown here and a 100-meter water resistance, and then a friction-fit double folding clasp that's satin finished internally, and when closed, you can see it has a little curvature to match the curvature of the underside of the wrist. Rolling around to the case, it is generally faithful to the 1980 St. Moritz, which was the first watch designed at Chopard by later brand chief Carl Friedrich Schäufele. Taking a quick look, we have a compass rose motif on the crown with a little bit of media blast and polish for nice contrast. You can see the shape of the case is distinctive and complex with several different layers and components built up from the case back through the mid-case up to the bezel, which has an endearing bevel on its flank and then aligned screws on its top. The distinctive Alpine Eagle dial here is a lovely sort of anthracite gray. Somewhere between black and gray, you have anthracite, and that's what we've got right here. It's got a metallic tinge, and you can see that the grooves are quite deep. They're three-dimensional. This is not a brushed sunburst. This is something that has a little bit of a spiral-like curvature, and Eagle Iris really does describe what I'm looking at. It's got a wonderful sort of brutalism to it, in that the grain is very coarse, but a great-looking dial. Taking a quick look at how much lume we're getting, you can see there is no shortage as we have primary and secondary indices. Taking a look at some of the secondary features, once the crown is out, we have a stop seconds function, so we can stop the seconds hand and set the watch to a reference time. You'll also appreciate the presence of a quick set, so you can rapidly cycle the date should you need to do so. The watch features all applique indices, and then the hands at center are beautifully polished for contrast against the gray base. You can see the little high-frequency logo that lets you know this is a Louis Ulysse Chopard in-house caliber that is a cut above. The original version of this came out in 2012, but it really found its natural home on the Alpine Eagles. This 2021 effort features the caliber L0112C. So what does that mean? It means automatic winding, 60-hour power reserve, yes, 8 hertz beat rate, 16 beats per second, 28 pivot joules, 5-position adjustment, COSC certified Swiss chronometer, and it has a unique silicon escapement that you can see that reduces the total mass in motion as well as removing the need for lubrication, making the high-frequency escapement a more practical everyday proposition. The timepiece features a combination of mechanical finishing elements, but they're handsomely and appropriately applied. It does feel and look its price. And of course, this is a Chopard in-house caliber. and mechanically it does justice to Chopard's reputation as a fine high-end movement manufacturer. If you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions.